Hey everyone, today I'm doing a really simple fried rice with egg. I love it. It's one of my favorite meals for lunch or a really easy Sunday night meal as well. Now you know how much I like to be effective with my cooking, so if I'm ever doing like a rice dish at night, say for Axe, then I'll always cook extra and leave it in the fridge for a moment just like this. And I've always got frozen peas and frozen corn in the freezer for a moment's notice. I throw it into pasta, I throw it into fried rice, I put it in omelettes, and sometimes I just heat up a little bit after school with a little bit of butter for Axel as a snack. Such a handy thing to have in your freezer. All right, let's get started. So I'm going to turn our power on, and we are going to throw in the rice. Give my pan a little bit of a spray. The rice and the garlic, and that's just what gives it a really yummy flavor. And like I said, it's super simple. So if I'm at home on a cool afternoon thinking, what am I going to have for lunch? I can pull this together pretty quickly. So a bit of garlic, the rice. Now of course I'm serving two. This is a meal for two when you look at the recipe. And I just get that sort of cooking and get the flavor of the garlic through the rice. And then from there, we'll add in the ingredients. So the other ingredients, really simple, and you can have them in your pantry, is, or in your fridge for the soy sauce for that matter, but in the pantry is the chili sauce. And then if you've got some shallots as well, because that just adds a really nice crunch. I kind of like a bit of chili, so I do tend to beef mine up a bit and add some at the end as well, but that's all to your own flavor. If I was making this for Axe, obviously, then I wouldn't be throwing in the chili. I might use a little bit of sesame oil just for a bit of an extra flavor. Okay, so that's that done. In go the peas and corn. Such a good meal for the nights when you're like, what are we gonna have for dinner? I don't know. I don't have anything, but we've always got some eggs, right? We've always got, you know, a bit of rice, even if you've just got to cook that up real quick. Frozen ingredients, and then your pantry products. All right, chili sauce. Sweet soy. Get all of that out because that's the flavor. And then just half of the shallots, and the rest we'll save for a garnish. All right, this will cook up real quick, so you can even just take it off the heat if you think it's going to start to stick. Okay, perfect. So that's all mixed in. I'm going to remove it from the heat. If you want, you could like put it in the oven to keep it warm, but honestly, I'm not going to be that long because all I want to do now is do an egg. If you wanted to, look, I'm a big fan of poached eggs, but if you wanted to, you can do a fried as I'm going to do today, but yeah, poached egg is just as good. I haven't done a fried egg for a while. I'm a bit nervous. My poaching skills are much more up to date. Yeah, the good old egg, honest to goodness, I have, you know, gone many a nights where I've gone, right, we're having an omelette, right, we're having poached eggs, okay, we're gonna have a fried egg, oh, we're gonna have a toad in the hole. Yes, Axel loves them. So I rely so much on eggs, particularly if I'm in that place of, I don't know what we're doing for dinner. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'll serve up. I might just do it this way. Okay, and then it's just the egg and we're done. Some shallots on top. If you're like me, a little bit of a chili freak, you can throw dried chili flakes. Sometimes I'll throw in on some Tabasco sauce. I know, I really like it hot, but it's totally your call. And then of course with the egg, you know, do you like it runny? Do you like it a bit harder? I like mine a bit runny. Perfect. The shallots. Which I happen to really love. I love the crunch factor. Nice.